Hi, in this video I will demonstrate how to set up a single node for sampling, as well as setting up multiple nodes for a sampling network. If you'd like to sample with a single node, simply click on the node, then click on Sample. This will bring you to a window where you can make changes to the sampling configurations for the node. As you make changes to the configurations, you'll see that this bar goes up and down. This indicates how much network bandwidth you are using. When you are ready to begin sampling, click on Apply and Start Network. Once your node has begun sampling, you will receive a message indicating that the node has begun sampling. At this point, you can go to your Data tab and create a widget to view your incoming data. In order to set up a network with multiple nodes sampling, you must do that through the base station. So click on the base station, then click on Sampling Network. This will bring up a list of nodes. These are the nodes in your sampling network. To remove them, simply deselect them from the list. Again, at the bottom of the window, you will see this network bandwidth bar. As you make changes to your configuration, that bar will increase or decrease. When you have completed making all the changes necessary and are ready to begin sampling, click on Apply and Start Network. Once the nodes have begun sampling, you will receive a message indicating that the network has started. Now you can go to your Data tab and set up a dashboard to view all of your incoming data. For more information, or if you have any questions, please reference the product user manual found on our website, or you can contact technical support by phone or email.